So this is just going to be a particularly quick video for you guys. Really, it's just to notify you that LibreELEC is actually working on S905X2 devices as well as that S922X devices. As you can see here, this is the X2 cube I reviewed a couple of days ago, and I've managed to get LibreELEC booted just fine. Now I've had to use a GT1 mini device tree to actually work on this device, and they must have very similar hardware for it to work properly because Wi-Fi is working, etc. But it just goes to show that these devices are very similar in nature at a hardware level. But as all new developments are concerned, this doesn't work that well. Well, it does work, but there's lots of bugs associated with it, such as Wi-Fi wasn't working straight away. I had to reboot it a couple of times and it kind of sorted itself out. As well as that, we had issues shutting it down and other issues that I'm probably not aware of, and for you guys that love to use Kodi, will probably come across those issues if you decide to test this out on your S905X2 device. Now, to actually boot this from your S905X2 device, you'll need to follow our LibreELEC guide. I'm not going to cover that in today's video. I'm going to leave the link in the description below. You'll probably be wondering, well, that's for S905X and S905W devices. Well, it's exactly the same process. You just need an SD card, Win32 disk imager, and just basically the correct files. Just follow the guide, but just use the files I'll link in the description below. Now, I did notice a couple of interesting things about this LibreELEC development. It did actually have a install to internal option built into the actual system itself rather than having to use SSH like we have done in the past. As well as that, it has a complete backup system. It completely backups the eMMC memory, so that'll be interesting to try out. Not something I'm going to try out because I want to keep this X2 cube as stock as possible without messing up or damaging anything. I do like this little box, so yeah, I want to keep this the way it is. Anyway, that's LibreELEC on the S905X2. It works. There's a lot of development still needed to get it working correctly. I mean, Valve's 150 has done an amazing job just getting it running, but yes, Amlogic code isn't the best, so it's going to be a number of years, I should imagine, before we start seeing real developments such as CoreELEC, for example, the team behind LibreELEC for Amlogic devices. I'm not entirely sure if they're going to pick this up anytime soon. They're obviously going to be wanting to work out a lot of the bugs along the way and get it working just right for you guys. But yeah, Amlogic are not the best at releasing good code. I know one developer has already said Amlogic release really rubbish kernels, which just make things really hard for developers. But anyway, that's LibreELEC on the S905X2. If you want to give it a go, all the links will be in the description for you. Thanks for watching. We'll just see you very soon.